Hi, this is Adam Kucher, your local farmer from northeast Wisconsin. And I'm out in the field here tonight planting soybeans, and we have 3 generations in the field tonight. So I'm out here with my father. He's out doing tillage. I'm driving the planter tractor and planting. And we're putting soybeans in, so we actually roll the ground then. So it firms it up and pushes the stones in. Pushes the stones in the ground, so we don't get them in the combine head when we combine the crop. And my son is over on the other side of me rolling. So that's what's going on tonight. Hopefully we can get this all in before the next storm comes and we get rain. They're yelling tonight. So just trying to get the crops in 2017. We're getting her done.